Software has become a fundamental component of our society. And yet, since the invention of computer source code about 50 years ago, some of the most important software is beginning to disappear forever.
We are so focused on developing new things that we forget about storing, preserving what we have developed up to now.
This is why Roberto Di Cosmo, computer science professor at University Paris Diderot, has founded, with the support of INRIA, the French Institute for Research in Computer Science, the Software Heritage Initiative, an institution committed to build the first universal source code archive in the world.
Software Heritage is an initiative that has been started almost 4 years ago, that has a precise mission to go out there and collect, preserve, and make easily available all the software ever written.
Join us as we talk with the founder of Software Heritage in Paris to learn more about this amazing project.
And when I started my work as a computer scientist some 30 years ago, well, software was kind of a game. But today, software is actually powering the healthcare system. You can have it in your body, in a pacemaker. Every aspect, serious, critical aspect of our life, depend on the quality of the software embedded in the system that we use to run it. So there is a difference between what we usually call software and source code. Source code is actually the representation of a computer program which is written in a high-level language that allows humans to explain what they want the machine to do. It is very important to archive source code of programs because even when the machines on which a program were supposed to be running will no longer be available, source code will still be a valuable part of knowledge because humans will be able to read it and to understand it. Software Heritage already holds the largest collection of source code ever built. We have archived more than 80 million software projects, and all this data structure, which is huge, is actually stored in a particular way that allows to deduplicate, so maintaining the size of the archive much smaller. Today, the amount of software has been developed around the world is actually doubling every 2 to 3 years. So we need a common platform where we collect all this software and we can study it to find the errors, to improve the quality, to understand what is going on, and so to prepare a better future in software development.
To make sure all source code is kept safe, 3 backup copies have been made and are stored separately.
2 copies are in the INRIA data center in France, and then there is an extra copy of the archive which is in the Azure cloud, which is sponsored by Microsoft today. A project like Software Heritage needs 3 main ingredients to succeed: science and technology, money and support, so we need sponsors, public awareness of the importance of our mission. And that's the reason why we have a partnership with UNESCO today, to make it accessible to everybody. So for science, we started with INRIA, who actually sparked the initiative, but many other sponsors and partners that are coming along. But also, we want to have on board philanthropies, public institutions, individuals, everybody who feels concerned about preserving the knowledge which is embedded in the source code. We are building something which you could compare to the international network of research libraries.
Find out more in Building the Universal Archive of Source Code, a Viewpoint article in the October 2018 communications of the ACM.
We are doing our best to make it easy to people to come on board. All our source code is open source. All our discussions are open. Everybody can participate. Our sponsorship program is open to everybody. So if you like what we are doing, please come in. We are open.